Welcome back. Goa Football Association complained of illegal structure in the property of G.F.A at Duler Stadium in Mapsa. The G.F.A authorities complained that the work is on even after a stop order issued by Mapsa municipality.
Authorities of Goa Football Association complained that a resident of Duler has encroached in the area of G.F.A behind Duler football ground. Vice President of G.F.A Lavino Ripello has demanded that the illegal construction should be stopped immediately.
हे फाटल्यान कितें जाता तें आमच्या धुलेर स्टेडियमाच्या कंपाउंड वॉलाचेर कॉमन कंपाउंड वॉल ते कंपाउंड वॉल फोडून ताणें दोन रूम शॉपां काडपाची येवजण केल्या ही टोटली इलिगल ताणें तर लिगली बांदूंक जाय आसलेलें ती 3 मीटर कंपाउंड वॉलाचेर सोडून 3 मीटर फाटी बांदूंक जाय आसलेली.
He also complained that even after stop order by the Mapsa municipality, the construction is on. Finally, the G.F.A authority with the help of Mapsa police stopped the construction work.
आमी पहिले कंप्लेन केल्ली म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक कंप्लेन दिली कांयच करूंक ना 8 दिसांनी पत्ती कंप्लेन दिली रिमाइंड करून तरी पूण तेणी एक्शन घेवंक ना. तिसऱ्या फावटी हांव गेलो पर्सनली आमचे न्याय असिस्टंट सेक्रेटरीक घेवन आमी सीओक मेवले देन चेअरपर्सनाक मेवलो आनी इंजिनियराकूय मेवलो. इंजिनियर मातसो फाटी फुडें जातालो सगलो वगत बट सीओन इमिजिएटली नोटीस काडली बंद करचें म्हणून बट तरी पूण बंद करिना आसलेलें. आयज म्हाका आतां पळय आज पंचायतान म्हाका मिटींग आसलेली बट तरी पूण म्हाका कृष्णान फोन मारलो की आयज जाता तितलो बेगीन यो म्हणून की ते शटर घालपाचें आहा. हांवें सोमतें बसवे सिलक सायबाक फोन मारलो डिवायस पीक बट तो लिव्हर आसलेलो आयज बट तेणें तरी पूण म्हाका कोणाक फोन मारून तेणें हेल्प केलो. तो ड्युटी ऑफिसराक हेल्प फोन मारलो तो ड्युटी ऑफिसराक घेवन आतां हांगसर येवन तें बंद केलां सद्याक.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
And now news from sports. It's a pity that one of Goa's major football venues may not be ready for the new season. Duler ground in Mapsa is a busy place during the football season, but unfinished work of laying FIFA's artificial turf means that the ground looks unlikely to be ready for the start of Goa Football Association's 2012-13 season. G.F.A has lashed out at the FIFA contractor for failing to finish the work in time.
This is the current state of the football ground at G.F.A's Duler Stadium. The work of laying FIFA's artificial turf is yet to be completed. The final layer of the turf has arrived a few days back and is yet to be put up on the ground. The problem, according to the contractor, is it needs a long spell of sunshine to apply the chunks of turf onto the ground with the help of glue. G.F.A's Zonal Secretary Babli Mandrekar revealed that the contractor is solely to be blamed for the delay in completion of work.
I was asking him, Baba, when you are going to get completed? So he was telling me May 15th it will be complete. But when February went, April went, May went, when May 15 it was not completed, I told my all G.F.A colleague, executive member plus Mr. President also that the work is not going fast. So again we came here with the G.F.A General Secretary, then Secretary Mr. Albert Kulaso. We had an inspection. We spoke to him. He said, no, I am finishing before 30th June. He need 10 clear days without rain like. But how it is possible to get 10 days here dry now in the monsoons in Goa, especially as you know, you will be knowing. All the people of Goa knows. And now he's giving a press report that nobody G.F.A official has supported him. We are always here in the evenings. Now we are going to start our season in August. Now how we will complete our season with this schedule? Let us hope for good now. So see, people from all Bardesh area like or Penne and all, they are eagerly waiting for this project to be completed.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
San Jose the Ariel Sports Club trounced Rosman Cruz Nagoa Sports Club by 3-0 to win the My Dos Pobres Cup Inter-Village Football Tournament. Nueve Parish Youth had organized the tournament.
San Jose the Ariel looked good right from the start as they took the lead in the first half. Shilton Dias made the important contribution for Ariel, scoring 2 goals. Raymond Fernandez scored a goal as Ariel romped home with a 3-goal margin. Here are some highlights.
ताका एक फुलाची भेट कशी आमचे प्रेसिडेंट सगळ्यांक दितले.
Former Minister Alexis Siqueira and other dignitaries presented the prizes. A reporter from Nuve, Savio Dias.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.